What's up, everybody? Shamil here, New Auto Glass. Installing a rear door glass on a Jaguar F-Pace. So, interesting. Never done it before. This is the first time doing it. So, yeah, interesting job. Let me show you. So, you got to take the door panel off. I just put it over here so I could show you. This piece right here, there's a plastic piece. You'll see a black plastic piece pops out very carefully. There is a screw there, torque wrench. This piece right here has a screw. Take it off and then you pop this out. You gotta pop it out and pull it out. And inside there's two 8mm screws. This pops out and that's it. Then you just pull it off. Just pulled it out, all the clips. That's what it looks like. Clips. Took the speaker off so I could vacuum inside. Now to get the glass in there. Glass has, the hooks on the brackets. Just slide it in. But I couldn't get the glass in there. You have to take this piece off right here. Pull the rubber out. There's T20 Torx here, but it won't come out. You gotta pop this out because this piece, they're like linked together. Pop it out very carefully. There are hooks over here that slide on a door, so very carefully so you don't break, don't bend anything. And then there's also a screw right there, torque T20, and that's it. Sorry, I'm just tired. This is my job number 5 for today. It's the last stop for today, and that's it. Looks like a mess. Look at that. I got a light because I'm in the garage, so it's good to have a light. And yeah, very easy. You just never done it before. First time doing it. Tried to figure it out, so it took me 15 minutes to figure all this out and take the glass out and get the glass in there. That's it. Oh, also take the outside channel off so we have more room just in case. I did it. Now I gotta put all that stuff back in there, vacuum.